Okay, I'm putting on my topper now, so I'm going to try to go ahead and show you this info. So this is a 10 by 12 topper. I put my tape where I want it. Now most of the time I just put the tape right in the middle right there, but I'm going to try putting it on over to the edges and so that's why I have my hair pulled back. And no, I do not have a lot of hair. It's just been curled today, so it looks like a little more hair, but if you can see, there's not much of it, and it's really, really crappy. It won't hold a curl or anything, but anyways, so this is a 10 by 12, so there's two clips, one here, one here. The reason I'm holding it like this is because of the tape is already exposed, so you don't want to get the hair stuck in it. And here's the adjusters in the back and a comb. So it fits like on the top of your head right here, unlike a wig. So the back of my hair is exposed underneath. Okay, so I'm gonna have to watch in the mirror to put this on real quick. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it basically right here. Oh, and the one thing I almost forgot to do. And the other thing is you always wanna make sure you have your hook adjusters done before you put it over your head, or you'll be taking it back off trying to hook them or getting your husband to do it for you. And they can definitely do it, but you know, it's not as easy. So I'll say what I'll explain that in a second. So what I just did was I got a Q-tip. I keep some alcohol in a little jar like this, and I cleaned the area where the tape goes because that keeps the tape from sliding. Now my tape right now is a thinner tape. A thicker, a wider tape will make it not slide even more. When I bought this last one from Amazon, that's what they sent me, and I used to cut them in half anyways, so I use this No Shine. Looks like this is the back of it right now. And then I apply it to there, and that's two strips. One strip in the middle, one cut in half on each side. And now I'm going to stick it on the front of my head. I pulled my hair back so I can get to my head, and then I'm going to undo my hair before I put it on in the back. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it right here, but I'm gonna look in the mirror right here and do it. I'll lay it across right there. And now I'm gonna lay it across right there. So there you go. Now my topper is nice and put on all the way in the front. There you go, see? And what I'm gonna do now, and you don't have to put your hair up, but I do it just to pull that hair back right there that could get in the way of the tape. And now I'm gonna grab this back area where this comb is right here, and I'm gonna hold the front just with my finger like this, and then I'm just gonna slide that under. I could do it tight, or I actually don't need to do it tight. And I could also put some hairspray right back there that makes that grab. And you wanna make sure you don't have any hair stuck in the tape, of course. And then I have these two hooks. So these are the only hook adjusters on this. I can pull these down right here and just put them up. If I put some hairspray, they would grab right there. But you don't even really need to hook those if you don't want to, because this guy, I haven't brushed her yet. Come on. There we go. I just took her off last night, laid her down. But what's nice is I've worn her ever since 2 days before Christmas, and she still holds the curl. I mean, it's coming out a little bit now. And I even wore her up a couple of times too. And I still have as much curl, and I haven't added one curling iron touch to this topper since. So here she is right here. See, so she's getting a little flatter now. because of the fact that I haven't done any curling to her, and I've worn her for so many days. And I'll turn around here so you can see in the back. Make sure I'm in the back right there. And there she is. So you kind of saw my hair. I've got a piece of hair that's stuck in the tape. I think one little hair. So I'm just catching it. All right, so unfortunately, my hair was longer the other day. And when I first got this one, I decided to trim my hair. And I probably shouldn't have, because my hair was actually just the right length. But you really, I don't think, can really notice my hair under there. So let me show you where my hair is. This is my hair right here. If I had it blended more, that would be the thing. Oh, I've got an inspector call me. So anyways, but I'm gonna have to get this.